Cooking is a big part of most off-grid adventures. Whether you're camped up on the beach or hiking your favourite trail, the Jetboil Flash from Anaconda is your perfect adventure companion. The Flash is an all-in-one stove designed to be extremely compact and convenient to use, which means that it won't take up too much valuable space in your camping setup or your hiking bag, and when it comes time to start cooking, as the name suggests, you'll be set up and ready to cook in a flash. The push-button igniter lets you fire up the stove quickly and easily, and the colour change temperature indicator lets you see at a glance when the contents are hot. The unit also comes with a clever stabilising tripod to keep it from tipping over, and everything locks together so it can't come apart while you're cooking. Jetboil stoves are the fastest on the market, and the Flash is the fastest of them all, capable of boiling 1 litre of water in only 100 seconds. The insulated cozy and drink-through lid mean you can eat or drink your meal directly from the stove, and when you finish cooking, everything packs away inside the unit so you've only got one thing to store. The Jetboil Flash is the ultimate camping stove for preparing coffees, soup, dehydrated meals and more on your adventures. Pick one up from your local Anaconda store or from the Anaconda website.